Kwelinye inqaku, abantwana ababini abangamawele abaneminyaka emine ubudala baswelekile, kwaye indoda eneminyaka engamashumi amane anesibini ubudala yonzakele emva kokuqhambuka komlilo kumatyotyombe Ase-Zamimpilo entshona yeGoli kusasa namhlanje. Kuxelwa ukuba umlilo uqale emva kokuba abemi bebaleke ngexesha lomsebenzi wamapolisa nomkhosi kummandla, beshiya isitovu singajongwanga ngelixa bepheka. Ubuncinane ngogobityholo abasisibhozo abatshabalalileyo kumlilo ukushiya abantu abaninzi bengenamakhaya.
City of Johannesburg Emergency Management Services firefighters are currently attending to a fire incident reported at Ase-Zamimpilo informal settlement in Highgate, whereby after firefighting operation, firefighters recovered two bodies of 4-year-old twins who unfortunately succumbed to smoke inhalation, and they were unfortunately confirmed dead by Gauteng EMS paramedics on scene. At this stage, the cause of the fire incident is still a subject of investigations. However, as City of Johannesburg Emergency Management Services, we are pleading with our residents since now we have some cold snap in most parts of the City of Johannesburg. We are pleading with our residents to continue to look after heating devices like heaters, braziers or imbaula, not to leave them unattended, so that we can be able to prevent fire incidents during these extremely cold temperatures.